You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Quick one, traders. Today I am going to share with you this very simple and powerful strategy that you are going to use to make a lot of profit trading volatility and step index if you follow my instructions properly. All right, so this particular strategy, this particular tools that I'm talking about today is widely used, but at the end of the day, if you follow my instructions properly, as I said earlier on, you will be able to make a lot of money using these simple tools. All right, so it's all about you knowing what you really want, you really need to know before opening any position. All right, so the way this strategy works is this. And meanwhile, before we proceed, I will like every one of you to pay very close attention. And if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or if today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olitex from Global FX, and what I do here on this channel is that I train and teach people how to use the available tools that they have here on MT5 and the other platform to maximize their earnings trading online and making enough money. All right, that is what I do here on the channel. So if you are new to my channel, as I said earlier on, do me a favor and smash that like button. And also, if you are already my subscriber, also smash that like button if you like to be receiving content like this. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, I want you to do me that favor and smash that subscribe button so that you also will be receiving notification whenever I upload valuable content like this. And also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload something like this, you will be notified that I've uploaded another valuable content here. All right, so with that being said, let me share with you guys how this strategy really works. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple, and this strategy is very good for quick scalping, guys. Just follow my instructions properly, and every other thing will unfold for you. All right, so that is it. So how this really works is this. If you look at this particular edge here, you see this particular zone, that is our level 10. all right, and if you look at this, you will see our level 50. If you look at this, you will see our level 90. all right, so now this is how it works. Whenever this our line here inside the indicator window 1 gets to this our level 10, all right, once it gets to this level 10, you wait for it to start going back up. Just raise wait for it to raise its head a little bit, showing that it's going back up. That is, I mean, if you are buying. All right, so you wait for it to start going back up. When it gets to this level 10, don't be shifting your chart, please. And the zoom level that I'm using right now is zoom level 3. all right, so do not shift your chart. Let your chart be balanced. all right, leave your chart at the default settings. Do not shift it. I don't encourage anyone shifting his or her chart all in the name of looking for signals. No, I don't do that. all right, so you leave your chart at the normal default settings, at the normal default position, and you will get a perfect signal entry. all right, so whenever this line, this blue line here, gets to this our level 10 here and starts going back up, you cross check with the main chart. all right, this is where the whole scenario happened here. If you look at this zone here, that is where the whole thing started going back up. What you need to do is this. all right, what you need to do is this. Once you open your position at this junction here, all right, with the correspondence of what you saw here, you open your position somewhere here. So you going to TP at this 50. all right, you are going to TP at this 50, and that 50 probably is from this zone to this zone. All right, that is quick scalping. Then if the market keeps going up, whereby it gets to this zone, it breaks our 50 level, you wait for the retesting of the 50 level. All right, you wait for this line to retest on this 50 level and start going back up, which you spot something like this here. What you will do, you buy again and you TP at our level 90 here, and as you can see, you see what happened here. All right, so that is it. And one more thing that I want every one of you to understand is this. All right, trading volatility index is very, very profitable if you really knows the do's and don'ts. All right, if you don't know the do's and don'ts, you cannot make money trading any pairs at all. All right, so it is better you follow, or it's better you follow my instructions properly, because I've been trading this particular V75 and step index for a very long time, so I know how it moves. All right, so whenever you miss any entry point like this, probably you miss this entry point probably somewhere here. All right, do not panic, guys. Wait, it's definitely going to come back for retestment, or it's going to pull back. Once you pull back and start going back up, you open. All right, don't just jump into trade because oh, I supposed to enter here, and this trade has started going up, and probably you meet the trade somewhere here. You just jump into the trade. All right, that is why many people blow their account, because when you meet the market at this zone and you jump into the trade, let me say you do not have enough equity. All right, so once this pullback happen, all right, this is volatility. It works like gold, it moves like gold. Once this pullback happen, you will definitely be taken out of trade. Probably once you open here, you are going to set your stop loss somewhere. So with this pullback here, you're already out of the trade. All right, and the market will start going on the same direction that you thought you're supposed to be going. All right, so that is why I keep saying this. Before you open any positions, guys, make sure before you open any position, make sure you analyze the chart starting at least from 1 hour time frame. All right, analyze the chart starting from at least 1 hour time frame downward. Make sure you break the chart down and know what the overall trend is doing. All right, know what the overall trend is doing before opening any position. And whatever the overall trend is telling you, if probably you want to open a position and your overall trend is telling you that okay, this is a bullish market. All right, this is a bullish market, and you spot somewhere that is selling instead of bullish, that is pullback, guys. You have to wait. All right, that is the perfect entry that the market is showing you. So you have to wait for that end of that pullback. That is if the market is buying and you spot selling within the buy what you saw on the overall trend. That selling, that market is selling instead of buying, is your sniper entry. Wait for the pullback at the end, or at the ending of that selling. Once it starts going back up, that is your sniper entry for you to open a position towards what you saw on the overall trend. I just made an example. Please follow my instructions. Do not go there and get your account blow and said this my strategy or whatever, anybody's strategy that this strategy I'm using is not working. The person does not know what it. You did not obey the rules and regulations that abide that strategy. So that is what I'm saying. So as I was saying, look at what I was illustrating here. Like this is the condition for sale. Make sure you do not shift your chart. Look at this, our blue line started coming down from this area, and if you look at this zone, you will see this is where the whole thing started. You can see that. All right, so if you open your position before this market will get to this place, you're already here. Your take profit has been hit. All right, so if the market crosses this, if the market is now bounced back on this 50 level and crosses this 50 below, you take another sell. All right, you take another sell. It's just a quick scalping. You take another sell, and your TP will be on our level 10 here. All right, no matter how long the trend is going, as soon as it gets to those junction, you can see the way I marked it. Look at it here. You can see sell take profit. That is whenever whenever you're selling any position, once it gets to this 10 level, that is what I meant by sell take profit. Once it gets to that 10, no matter how long that trend is going, take your profit from that junction and let the market run and wait for another opportunity. You can see take normal take profit here at 50, and then you can see another take profit here at 90. So if you are buying from this 50, your take profit must be at 90. If you are buying from or if you are selling from 90, your TP will be here. If you are selling from this zone, the same thing happens. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. And before I end this video, I promise that I'm going to share with you guys the settings of this strategy, or the settings of these tools that we are using. All right, it's just all about you using your normal combine everything together, the tools that you have, and achieve a perfect result whereby it will help you determine when and where to open a trade. So let me share the settings with you. You click on this F icon here. You click on this F icon here. All right, once you click on this F icon, as usual, you go to you click on our indicator, our RSI here. Once you click on the RSI, the parameters, the period is 1, apply to close styles or 2 pixel. I use blue color. The level is 90, 10 and 50. This is where you add the level, in case if you don't know. All right, this is where you add the levels. You click done, then you go back to the F icon again. You add momentum. All right, you add momentum to the indicator window 1. The parameter, the period is 21, apply to close styles. I use 2 pixel. The color is blue. You click done. All right, you click done. So that is what we have here. So that is as simple as how this strategy is. Just try and set yours this way and try and follow that instruction and the proper definition of what I just did right now. You see everything as it works. As I said earlier on, do not try to shift your chart. Do not try to make be smart and do things your own way. So follow my instructions properly, and if you do not understand anything, let me know in the comment section and I will do everything possible to help you. All right, so that is it. And if you also want mentorship program, want me to mentor you, it's less for you. I'm not persuading anybody. It's just all about what you know that paves way for you. All right, so if you really want me to put you through on how to be trading volatility and stepping this very successfully and profitably, just let me know or contact me. My contact information will be in the description of this video. So let me know what you think, and if you like this video, as I said earlier on, do not hesitate to smash this the like button below this video and show appreciation. All right, so that is how it works, and that is it. Signing out, Olites, peace.